Hi, I'm Dr. Marc Dussault, and I'm here with Peter August, Managing Director of the Australian Bullion Company. And as you can see here, I have a BlackBerry mobile phone, and I have some gold and silver bullion coins and some bars as small as this over here, 20 ounce, 10 ounce. I have a 1 kilo here and a 5 kilo, which, as you can see, is quite heavy.
It has a good feel to it.
I know. I just love doing that, and I'm sure you can hear that on the video. Peter, really, in the next 60 to 90 seconds,
sure,
why would someone invest in gold or silver bullion compared to the stock market or property market?
Safety, safety, safety. Okay, you've got the ultimate safety, ultimate safe haven investments here.
Because it's physical. Because you can touch it. You can go to your safe and take a look at your coins and your bars, and you know
how much you've got in value. And as currencies depreciate, as there might be political risks happening around the world, you know that you've got something tangible that's highly liquidable at any time. And
that means you can basically buy and sell it whenever you want.
Correct.
If you were to take a 1 ounce gold coin about a year ago, you would have sold that for about, I think you were telling me, $900.
Yes.
Now, in November 2009, it's about $1,100, actually $1,200 Australian, 1,200 plus. So you can see that that's a tremendous gain in a very short period of time. But this is an upward trend because this is physical. And I keep doing this on purpose because that's why you want to invest in bullion. Because it's actual physical asset that you can touch. And that's the amazing thing is...
And it's outside the clutches of government manipulation.
Absolutely. It's hard. You touch it. Whenever it's on the table, you can't help yourself but literally pick it up. One, because obviously it looks great and it's gold. I mean, come on, gold.
I love it.
You know, but from an investment point of view, that tangibility, that tangible aspect of it is something that you really want to start considering for your portfolio. Just one last thing. You used to recommend people have about 10% of their portfolio in bullion, in precious metals, and you've revised that now to
15 to 20%.
To 15 to 20%.
Yeah.
And you've recognized that with the global financial crisis and geopolitical forces. Yes, I know.
Very good, Marc.
I've been reading my thesaurus, and I've been watching the other YouTube videos that explains all of this. That this really is something that gives you peace of mind as an investor.
Correct.
You're seeing a lot more demand from private investors, aren't you?
Absolutely. And I mean, we're not the only ones that are seing the increase in demand. That increase in demand is occurring worldwide.
And those private investors, those are dentists. From
garbologists to proctologists.
From garbologists to proctologists. They're professionals. They're families, right?
Absolutely.
There are a lot of families buy this as wedding gifts.
We're starting to see the general public take an interest. It's still early days for the general. Most people do not have gold on their radar.
Yeah.
But we're starting to see it. We're getting a lot more inquiries from people that say, look, I don't really know much about gold, but you know, my instinct says I need to have some.
Yeah. The instinct is it's physical, it's
safe.
a hard asset, it's safe.
It protects your wealth against the ravages of inflation and other matters, as we've discussed.
We have a series of other YouTube videos that explains all of these in more detail. I hope that you'll click on them and watch them. They're just a couple minutes, and I want to thank Peter for taking time out of his busy day today to explain these things to you because they're very important. You want to get some of this for yourself.